Are you looking for the best electrical bicycle? In this video we will look at some of the best electrical bicycle on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kickwey K7 Adults Electric Bike 2000 watts. Kickwey K7 Adults Electric Bike 2000 watts 48 V23R 55 km/h snow electric motorcycles 20 x 4.0 off-road tire mountain Ebike fat tire. Introducing our vintage-inspired electric bike for adults. Combining classic aesthetics and modern technology, the durable frame ensures lightweight performance and long-lasting durability, while the matte finish adds a touch of luxury. With sleek lines, sharp LED headlights, and a commanding front face, this dirt bike exudes confidence. Its wide body and sturdy chassis provide exceptional stability on any terrain. Turn heads wherever you go. Prepare for an exhilarating ride with our e-bike designed for adults. It is equipped with a robust 1500 watts motor. With an impressive 85 Nm torque, it offers excellent climbing strength and effortlessly accelerates to a top speed of 32 mph. Experience the freedom and excitement as you feel the wind in your hair, making every ride an adventure. The electric dirt bike for adults comes with a removable 48V/23R battery. It can be quickly charged in 4-6 hours and has a longer lifespan. With a full charge, it can cover a range of 80 miles assisted riding 65-80 mile and throttle mode 40-55 mile. Allowing you to go further on your journeys. The removable battery also offers convenience as you can easily bring it home or to the office for recharging. Number 2. WALLKE Pro Electric Bike 1200 watts Electric Bicycle. WALLKE Pro Electric Bike 1200 watts Electric Bicycle 20R Foldable 26-inch Fat Tire Mountain E-Bike Adults 34 to 35 mph Fast E-Bike. Experience exhilarating acceleration with a 1200 watts peak motor, reaching speeds up to 34 to 35 mph. Cover long distances with confidence thanks to the 20R battery, offering a range of up to 50 miles. Enjoy a smooth ride on any terrain with full suspension and 26 inches by 4.0 inches fat tires. Stay informed with a smart LCD display and choose from 5 riding modes for versatile use. Ride with confidence on a robust aluminium frame, supporting up to 400 pounds. Number 3. AOSTIRMOTOR S18 Electric Mountain Bicycle. AOSTIRMOTOR S18 48 volts 15R lithium battery e-bike 26-inch fat tire electric mountain bicycle. 750 watt truck brushless gear motor. In the fully charged and pure power mode, the riding distance is 25 to 35 kilometers. Charge 110 to 220 volts. It takes 4-6 hours to fully charge the battery. Recharge regularly to extend the life of battery. LCD you can set the wheel diameter, speed, backlight, mileage unit, riding mode, power gear. LED screen displays battery power, speed, mileage, gear, wattage. Max speed in the fully charged state. The maximum speed can reach 45 km/h. Number 4. COSWHEEL T26 Electric Bike Bicycle. COSWHEEL T26 Electric Bike 26-inch fat tires adult electric mountain bike 1500 watts 48 volts 25R hydraulic brake e-bike off-road bicycle. COSWHEEL is a professional manufacturer of electric bikes. We have complete research and development, manufacturing, and can customize according to customer needs. We have warehouses in Europe, in the United States, and in the United Kingdom. We are committed to providing you with an excellent cycling experience, whether you are commuting, exploring, urban RV travel, or mountain off-road sports. We welcome wholesale customization. Follow our store, and enjoy the best service and prices. Number 5. Folding e-bike. Electric bicycle. Folding e-bike, electric bicycle with 48V12R removable battery, 20 mph commuting electric bike. High brushless gear motor. Electric bike features a 350 watts aluminium alloy high-speed motor, reaching a maximum speed of 15 miles per hour. With 20-inch tires and a detachable battery, it only takes 4 hours to fully charge. The frame is made of aluminium alloy, while the front fork is constructed of carbon steel. Electric bike comes with an adjustable seat, allowing you to enjoy a personalized comfort experience on long journeys. Equipped with front and rear disc brakes, it ensures reliable safety. Front LED lights and a bell provide added confidence and security during rides. The 350 watts brushless motor ensures safe and efficient riding, with a maximum speed of 20 miles per hour. After fully charged, you can ride 20+ miles in pedal-assisted mode. It provides 3 riding modes: pure electric mode, pedal assist mode, and normal bicycle mode to suit various needs.